fighter standing on a mountain in a foreign country, trying to send a message to his people back in the ghetto. He had a home one time, love of a girl, but he left all that behind. Oh yes, I can hear it clearly as he whispers in the air. His voice came out loud and clear. Oh,